Hi, have you ever heard about the recent disaster in Sumatra?
Yes, I have. Many people are talking about the government handle the situation.
I think the government response too slowly to the disaster. Medical also have been the priority.
I agree, helping victims quickly is important, but organizing rescue teams and supplies takes time.
Still, delaying doctor for days was unacceptable. People need help right away.
That's where communication was poor, but I believe their main goal was to protect lives.
Alright, for the future, better preparation and training are clearly needed.
Exactly, learning from mistakes will improve disaster response.